Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Car Place in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic Honda Jazz. So this vehicle has 15-inch alloy wheels, there's front and rear parking sensors. Inside the car you get DAB digital radio, there's a CD player, Bluetooth connectivity. You also get air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control with speed limiter. This car also features the city brake system. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.3 litre iVTEC engine that gives you 100 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done less than 19,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Car Place in Yeovil. Thank you.